How to get pets in Widgetable 2023. Hi guys, in this video I'll teach you how to get pets in Widgetable 2023. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, let's head over to our Play Store and search for Widgetable first and then download it. Once you've downloaded it, just click on open right here and this will open. So as you can see right now, you can see all your pets. So you can actually speed this up, but actually if you speed this up, then you can just subscribe to their pro account. So if you click on this right here, you will be subscribed to their pro subscription, which is this right here. You can be a lifetime, yearly, monthly, or whatever. It can speed up the hatching. It can have weekly pet egg. You can have pet rocket, premium Gigi, toilet, sitting, music, pet gift box. It can also be removed the ads. So if you subscribe on that, you can get pet on Widgetable. Next thing you can do is you can actually try to click on this right here. So if you click on this get more eggs, you can see a lot more eggs by subscribing to them, or you can also head over to the pet shop. So head over to the pet shop, and from in there you can see some eggs. You can get this for free. You can this it when you're pro. You can get this by watching an ad, pro again and watching an ad. And in here you can just actually pay through money in order to get the eggs right here. The next thing you can do is to invite a user, because if you have invited a user, you will get another egg from them once they have been opened this Widgetable. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to get pets in Widgetable 2023. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.